In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange a collection list on Shopify. If you're looking to customize the order of your products and make your store's layout more intuitive for your customers, rearranging your collection list can be a great way to enhance the shopping experience. Organizing your collection strategically not only improves how your store looks, but can also influence buying behavior, helping you highlight bestsellers, promote seasonal items, or showcase new arrivals. To begin, let's navigate through Shopify's interface. On the left-hand side of your Shopify admin panel, you'll see a menu. Go ahead and click on Products. This will bring up a variety of product-related options, but for our purpose, we want to focus on collections. By selecting Collections, you'll be directed to a new page showing all of your existing collections. Think of collections as groupings of related products that you want to present together. For example, new arrivals, summer sale, or best sellers. Having organized collections not only helps customers find what they're looking for faster, but also gives your store a professional and polished feel. Now, identify the specific collection you'd like to rearrange. Click on the collection's name, and this will lead you directly to a detailed view of that collection. Here, you'll see all the products that are currently part of this collection. The natural flow of products at this point might be based on factors like when they were added, their popularity, or even alphabetically. But if you want more control, customizing this order manually is the way to go. At the top of this product listing, you should find a drop-down setting that controls how products are sorted within the collection. Click on this drop-down menu, and from the options listed, select Manually. This selection grants you intuitive control over how your collection is presented to viewers, allowing you the flexibility to showcase specific products at the forefront. By switching to manual sorting, you take full creative control over your collection layout, a powerful way to align your store's presentation with your marketing strategy. Once you've chosen the manual option, you'll notice drag handles appear adjacent to each product in the list. You can use these drag handles to effortlessly rearrange the products. Simply click and hold the drag handle of a product, then move it up or down the list to your preferred position. This manual arrangement enables you to highlight particular items you might want to boost in visibility. Here are a few quick tips for arranging your collection effectively. Feature your bestsellers or high-margin items near the top to increase conversions. Group similar products together, like size, color, or type, to make browsing easier. Promote seasonal or sale items in prominent positions. Use visual flow, for example, alternating colors or styles, to create a more eye-catching layout. After you've rearranged your items, make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button in the top right corner of the "And I have all of these cloud foes." Use visual flow, for example, alternating color or styles. You can then preview your store to ensure the new product order looks great on both desktop and mobile views. It's a good idea to check how the layout feels from a customer's perspective. Does it flow naturally? Are the key products visible right away? If not, adjust as needed. If you have a large inventory and want to save time, Shopify also allows you to automate sorting based on factors like best-selling products, newest products, price low to high, or high to low alphabetical order. While manual sorting gives you full creative control, automated sorting can be a helpful alternative for stores with hundreds of products that need to stay dynamically updated. You can even combine both approaches. Use automation for general collections and manual sorting for featured or promotional ones. Rearranging your collection lists is more than just an aesthetic tweak. It's part of your sales strategy. Here's why it matters. It helps direct attention to high-performing or high-value products. It encourages customers to discover related or complementary products perfect for upselling. It makes the shopping experience smoother, leading to higher engagement and more sales. Think of your collections as a digital storefront window. The order you display items in can influence what customers decide to click and buy. And there you have it. With just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully reorganized your collection list, making it more tailored and enticing for anyone visiting your store. This simple yet effective customization can have a significant impact on how products are perceived and experienced by your audience. Remember, in online retail, the little details make a big difference. A clean, intentional layout can subtly guide your shoppers toward the products you want to highlight most. That's all for this session. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and feel free to explore other elements of Shopify to further optimize the look and feel of your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. Until next time, take care and happy selling.